Indaba yaborhulumende ababusa ngokuhlanganyela isabonakala iyindabakulu njengombana usaraga umbango waboMasipalada. Kanti namakhetho ka-2024 kulindeleke bona abangwe khulu, nanyana kunjalo iinhlangano ezibusa ngokuhlanganyela zikhamba ziba neentjhijilo. Lokhu kubonakele kuMasipalada omkhulu eJohannesburg ofethu i-DA lapho kubonakele umyaro udorhodera Mpho Phalatse osisiweko sekabuyela esikhundleni.
It was important to have a group of parties who coalesce around an idea or at least an aspiration to govern together. And in such a government, you need to have clear power sharing, you need to delineate power and ensure that there's equal representation and deepening of participation of coalition partners. But our experience is different. That's the ideal. Our experience of working with the DA has been a really difficult coalition partner.
Nanyana action eseyibonakala namahlela nalawo we-DA inhlangano izazibonakala isithitshela unomphelo. I-action eseyibonakala idosa amalunga we-DA amaningi. Kanti i-DA idosa nzima ukubamba isikhozi nenhlangano esisebenzisana nazo ngombana ibonakala ibhalelwa kuziphi indawo.
The party has taken a stance that we are not going to just be in power but at all costs. There are bridges that are just a little bit too far for us in terms of whether we would form a coalition with the EFF at this point in time.
Ukudosa-dosana edrobheni leJohannesburg kubonakala kusazokuraga okuyinto ANC ekholelwa bona ibe bomngqondongqondo kikho.
We ran coalition government in this municipality for 5 years. Not even a single motion of no confidence was tabled. We got a clean audit. All our partners were working together with us. No one complained that we are not respecting them or ill-treating them. So the opposition must learn on how to run coalition through us and this municipality.
Abaxazululi bezepolitiki bathi nanyana liphunguka isekelo le-ANC abantu kubonakala bangazithandi enhlangano eziphikisako.
Our problem in this country at the moment, which is nobody's fault, it's just a reality, is that the governing party is declining, but the electorate are not particularly enthusiastic about the alternatives.
Ngokuqalisisa izehlakalo zepolitiki ezenzekako ikhetho lango-2024 lokubangela ukuhlahluba ubujamo nobunzinzo bezepolitiki.